Mean. You must find mean. Correct? So that is mu x. Okay. You can use your GC to find. May I ask, is it important to know that, to know this formula? Is it important to know this formula? To put this formula in your textbook, is it important? Important. Okay, in what way it is important? Can you tell me? Which question in 7B show you that it is important to know this formula? Without this formula, even you got your GC also you can't do. Can you tell me which question in exercise 7B says so? I must go to your class name list already. I call the name. Now I can call. I can go to your, yeah. Which one? Okay, wrong file. Document. That is 2021. Yeah, 2022. August. Yes? Question. Question 2. Yes. Question 2. No, question 2, I don't have to. Question 2, I don't have to. 4 also, I don't have to. Okay. Question 2, exercise 7B. Question 2 and 4. What concept must I know in order to get the value of K? Asian? What is something that I must know so that I can solve question 2 and 4? And even question 3. What is the important concept that I must always bear in mind? Hurry up. If you have done it, you should be able to tell me. One very important concept that you must know. Asian? Cannot say not sure. No, I don't allow you to say not sure in my class. When we talk about this chapter, discrete random variable, what is the meaning of Px equal to x? You tell me this. Okay, you tell me this first. Okay, this is to represent probability for x to happen. Correct? What is equal to 1? Yes. So you see, so do I have the right to say you cannot tell me you don't know? You just have a look at it. So it's sum of Pi is equal to 1. You are using this concept so that you can get your variable K or A for question 2, 3, and 4. Am I right? So this is a very important concept that everyone must bear in mind when you do probability distribution table for discrete random variable. Am I right? So bear that in mind. So if you use that, you'll be able to get your K value for all that. So is this important? The answer is a yes. So under your discrete random variable, under probability distribution table, your first note you must write down is sum of all the probability must be equal to 1. I've told you in the very first lesson itself on Monday, am I right? Okay, so that is the first concept. Okay, so is this formula important to find the mean? Which question in exercise 7B I need to use that? Question 9. Okay, how about question 5? Do you need to use it? Do you need to use it? Question 9 you don't need. Question 9 you don't need to use. After I will come back to it. If you have a look at question 5, if you look at question 5, exercise 7B question 5. Oh, also no need. Question 5 also use this concept, right? Question 5 also use that. Yeah, so question 5 also no need. Okay, how about question 6? Also no need. So which question need that? Need this formula? Can you please tell me? 12? 9 no need. If you look at question 10, do you need that? No need. Sure. Question 10, I also no need that. No need. 11? Also no need. So from question 2, 1, 2 until 11, you need to know this, correct? In order to get the unknown. Am I right? In order to get the unknown. So the rest you can. So question 12. 2 tickets are randomly selected without replacement. Please underline the word replacement. From a bag containing 5 blue and 3 green tickets, let X denote. No need. This one also no need. 12 also no need. 12, you can just build the probability distribution table. Do you know how to do this question? Do I need to show? No need. 13? Oh, this no need. Oh. So which one need there? So in what situation I need this? In a situation whereby I give you a unknown variable, but I give you the mean. Are you clear? I give you the mean, I give you the expected value. So it's important, this one. So in this exercise, can you find any that need this formula? No need. Okay. So in exercise 7B, any question you need my explanation before I go to 7C? That is expected. Oh, maybe 7C you will need some. I don't know. Yeah. So we will talk about it later. 7C also no. Most of it, you got the value. Okay. Okay, any question on 7B that you need my explanation? 15, 1, 5. Okay. 7B. I don't know whether I know how to solve or not. 7B question 15. Okay, how to do? Okay, let's see. Okay, an exponential function EX can be defined as a power series of like that. Okay, this is the facts given to you. So we are not going to prove that. Okay, it will be 1 plus x. So why the first one is 1, you know, not? Because this is talking about the sum. So the first one will be x to the power of 0 divided by 0 factorial. Okay? If you go to your calculator, do you know how to get the factorial? 0 factorial means no choice is a choice. So the answer here will be 1. And the second term will be x to the power of 1 factorial. That's why it's x. Then the second term will be x to the power of 2 over 2 factorial. 2 factorial is 2. 3 factorial is 6. You can get it from your calculator. We read it as factorial, okay? So you have x squared over 2 factorial. Can or not? This is the formula they are talking about. Use this definition to evaluate this. Okay, huh? What do you mean by to evaluate this? Okay, so now okay, I'm going to use that to evaluate this. So how to evaluate? So we just write down first and we see how it will work. Okay, this means 0.2 to the power of 0. Okay. E to the power of negative 0.2. Divide by 0 factorial plus 0.2 to the power of 1 e to the power of negative 0.2 divided by 1 factorial. Okay? Plus 0.2 to the power of 2 e to the power of negative 0.2 over 2 factorial. And continue until the end. Okay? So, this will be e to the power of negative 0.2 over 1 plus 0.2 to the power of 1 okay, huh? So all these, you have a common factor of what? You have a common factor of what? E to the power of 0.2, correct? So look, this is a common factor. Okay. So 1 plus, look 0.2 to the power of 1 over 1 plus 0.2 to the power of 2 over 2 factorial plus 0.2 to the power of 3 over 3 factorial plus dot, 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 dot. So according to this one, this is the same as e to the power of x, correct? So can I conclude that this is e to the power of 0.2? This is my x. See or not? So the answer is The answer is yes, that's all. That is called evaluate. The answer is equal to 1. E to the power negative 0.2 times e to the power 0.2, the answer is 1. Got it? Because this one get from this formula. That's why the top they give you that. I just try to expand and let you have a look. But actually what I can do here is, if I'm the one who do it, because e to the power negative 0.2 is a constant. So I can take out. Then I write sum of 0.2 to the power of n over n factorial. N equal to 0 to infinity. So this is the same as this one. So this is your x. So I can just say e to the power negative 0.2 times e to the power 0.2. So equal to 1. Also can. Because this is a constant. If it's a constant, you can just take it out, factorize it. Because this means sum. See or not? Okay? So why they want you to prove that? Why they want you to prove that? They want you to prove that, explain why this is a valid probability distribution. Because you want to use this in part B. You understand or not? You want to use this in part B. To be a valid probability distribution, the sum of the probability must be equal to 1. You get what I mean? So part B, I don't have to do for you already, huh? Can I? Okay. So any other question? No more, huh? So I expect you to solve all the question in part 7B by yourself. Okay? Sure, no more? Okay, now. Hello? Can I move to 7C? Okay. Let's look at 7C. Point 1. I want to bring your attention to question 11 straight away. Because, oh no, not question 11. Question 11 is, at 7C.1, you should be able to do it by yourself. 7C.2. I want to straight away bring you to question 11. 7C.2, question 11. Because the rest, okay, they got probability distribution table for you until question 5, correct? So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You need to build. So I will discuss question 11 with you. Okay, you read question 11 first by yourself. Then you try to build a probability distribution table for this. So when you read a question, you have to define your random variable first. You have to say X is what? Okay, please give yourself some time to try to build. So you have to define your random variable. You must define first. In this case, what is the random variable? Discrete random variable. Value.
Recording in progress.
Okay, probability. For X equal to X. Okay, we know that if a ring is lost, then they will be pay the owner 8,000. Okay, for the past insurance company, know that the probability of theft is 0.025. The probability of loss. So this is theft. And this is lost. Am I right? So you want to know what is the value of this? You take 1 minus 0.03 plus 0.0025. All right? So you got 0.9 what? 9675. Okay? So you find the expected value of X. So this is expected payout. Huh? So you get what you get? The mean 290. Okay. So therefore, how much you have to charge? Because the company want the return of 100. So that means the profit of 100. So 290 plus return. So you have to charge 390. So is there any insurance company that are running at the loss? The answer is no.